Hey, welcome back, Styrene Relics. I'm Paul, and this is my Forgotten Friday. This is one I picked up down at the Detroit NNL. It had been damaged real bad. It looks like it was dropped. Looks like the one of the front tires and wheels had been stepped on because they're spokes, and they were all busted out from the inside. So I had to replace one wheel, and I had to do some repair work on a bunch of other stuff. And then I had to glue back a whole lot of stuff. And I'm short one piece. So, two pieces I'm short. So let's get busy and show you what I got going on. And I got lucky. It came with its own box. And the box is even in decent shape, too. So, I'm really, really happy with getting this. So, let's set that off to the side. And we'll get busy on this guy. The engine was pretty much still intact when I got it. And I noticed that it was supposed to come with a blower because that's the two holes in the center. That's where your blower goes into. But he has put a six-pack on it, and he glued them down into the intake manifold like that, which is pretty cool. I like it. So, that's the kind of stuff I really like, because there's nothing to go in that intake. I guess guy could make a little chrome piece to cap it off. I guess probably be all right. So, the grill was out of the grill shell when it got damaged, so I had to fix that. It did have one bar from stabilizer bar. The other one was missing. And in all the stuff that I have kicking around here, I don't have another one. So I've got the two short ones that go to the firewall up here. I've got those all day long. But the ones that go all the way out here to the side, I don't have, because they actually have a small, like a 60-degree bend that goes to the firewall and then comes out here. So I don't have any of those. I'm not finding any. So. But this is it. Real nice job. I only have one of the skirts, and I really like it with the skirts on. So that's why I went ahead and put at least the one side on. You can only see one side on at a time anyway. So, but it sets real nice. And it looks good without a skirt as well. So, yeah, this guy did a nice job on this. Nice little survivor. Very, very happy with it. Let me see if I can get an interior shot here. I didn't do a thing to that except dust it. So I got very lucky with that. The seat is nice too. I'll roll it over on its side here. The front axle was damaged real bad. I had to clean it up. And then the wheel here was crushed, and so I had to find a new wheel. It's not exact like the other three, but it's very, very, very close. So I'm just going to leave it. But yeah, the guy did a real nice job with this. Really happy to get this. I just love saving these old builds like this. So, and if you notice, I was telling you guys that there was a pretty good scar on the top. Now this is a sheet of thin aluminum he's got up here, so there's a bad scratch there on the top, but I can live with it. I mean, it is a survivor, so I don't know when it was built, but it's got some old flavors to it, and you can tell it's been done for quite a while back. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with all that. So this today is my Forgotten Friday. Just short and sweet for you guys. I have been working on this a little bit for Friday for today, but I don't have anything to show you because it was just paint. I did some interior paint work, and so just no need in showing you that. And then there's my fat fender fins and chrome and peekaboo. You guys aren't getting a look at that just yet. So, all right. Well, guys, I'm glad you stopped by. I really am. I really enjoyed cleaning this one up for this week. And I've got a few others that I need to get done. And so we'll see those down the road as well. So you guys take care. If I don't see you again, have a Merry Christmas. And I'll talk at you later. Bye.